Hello everyone, welcome to Code Crafters Lab. So today we are going to solve the pattern 10 from TUF Plus. So let's try to understand the problem. So here we can see that we are given with a int n and we want to print the that particular pattern in this format. Okay, so let's get back to the problem. So here let's say n is equal to 4. Then what we need to draw? Star, then 2 stars, then in the next row 3, then 4 stars. Okay, and then again decrement the count 3 2 1. Okay, so this is like a first example, and in the second example we can see that it is also similar to that. Like here we have like n equal to 2, n equal to 2, 1 2 and 3. So first try to understand the rows logic. Okay, so if anywhere whenever we encounter any patterns program, so we try to first look out for rows logic like previously. Okay, we can see here how many rows are there: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and here 1 2 3. So what is the logic of this 7 with 4? What is the logic of this 3 with 2? We want to formulate some formula around it so that it will give us the row number with respect to n. Okay, so can we say here like 2 into n minus 1? Can this be the formula to determine the row numbers? Let's try to apply it here. Okay, here 2 into n minus 1, so 2 into 4 minus 1 equal to 7. So this 7 is matching with this, so this row count is matching. Now let's try to apply same formula here. 2 into n minus 1, 2 into these 2 minus 1 is equal to 3. So these 3 is matching with this row number. So we can say that we have to iterate for 2 into n minus 1 till that time. So that way we can achieve our number of rows that particular iteration. Okay, so we can try to write the first for loop here on the second page. Okay, so for int I equal to 1, I is less than equal to 2 into n minus 1 I plus plus. So this way we can get our rows iterations. Okay, so now coming back to the like the star printing problem. So earlier we have seen there was some pattern like spaces, stars, spaces, something like that, but here we can see that here only stars we need to print. There are no spaces previous to that or after that anyways doesn't matter, but previous to stars there are no spaces, so we want to directly build a logic around star printing. So I'll just clear out these things. Okay, okay, yeah. So now let's try to understand that. So I'll just move this particular thing here. Yeah, so let's try to build our logic around this. So let's try to understand in every row we have written this i's for loop to determine the number of rows. So what will be the i's value here? So I'll be 1 here, I'll be 2 here, I'll be 3 here, I will be 4 here, I will be 5 here, I will be 6, and I will be 7 here. Okay, so can we say that like for I equal to 1 we are printing 1, for I equal to 2 we are printing 2 stars, this is matching, this is matching. I equal to 3, this is matching, 3 stars. I equal to 4, 4 star. But I equal to 5, this is not matching with the value of 5. Okay, and I equal to 6, I equal to 7. So after I is increase by 4, after I is increase above 4, our logic will not stand. Otherwise we can directly print like till I we have to print the stars. So that is like a easy logic till this point. We can print the stars equal to I. Basically, if I is equal to 1, print 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. So our loop will be like let's write that loop. So our loop will be like for int j equal to 1. So I'll just print int star equal to I. Okay, i's value will be inside stars. I j equal to 1, j is less than equal to stars j plus plus. Okay, and here we will just do print star, right? But this particular logic will work till I is not increase above n. So 4 is our n, right? And after that, what is the issue? Like it is for I equal to 5 we are printing 3, I equal to 6 we are printing 2, I equal to 7 we are printing 1 star. So now we need to build some logic for I'll just make some space here. We need to build logic for if I is greater than n. So we want to build some logic here, right? So we want to make stars equal to something else, right? Because for the first half stars is directly equal to I, that we did. For the first half, what we did, we directly assigned i's value inside stars, and then we are printing till stars. Basically we are printing I number of stars here. So now we want to make sure that for the logic of when I is getting increased or going above the n value. Okay, so here we can build some formula. So with respect to I, so let's say 2 into n minus I. Can that be a formula? So what will become 2 into 4 minus 5. 2 into 4, 8 minus 5 equal to 3. So this is matching. Okay, then come to the next row. 2 into n, that is 2 into 4 minus 6. What is it? 8 minus 6, 2. So this is also matching. Then for this 2 into n, 2 into 4 minus 7. This is also matching. So can this be a formula to print whenever I is increase above n, we can print these many number of stars, 2 into n minus I. So we can directly write 2 into n minus I stars we need to print whenever I is increase above n. And at last we have to do print ln just to break the line. Okay, so let's try for this particular example here. Okay, so for int I equal to 1, I is less than equal to 2 into n minus 1 I plus plus. So this is my outer loop. Okay, then inside that what we'll do, int stars equal to I, right? Then we will write our if I is greater than n logic. If I is greater than n, what we need to do, we need to reassign the stars value. Stars equal to 2 into n minus I. Okay, then after that we will print the stars for int j equal to 1, j is less than equal to stars and j plus plus. Inside that what we'll do, system dot out dot print star. Okay, and after this loop we will do system dot out dot println. Okay, let's try to run this. Yes, it is passed. So for n equal to 4 we are printing the similar pattern, and let's see for n equal to 2 also we are achieving the similar pattern here. And here also, like talking about the time complexity, so we are using like two nested for loops here. So O of n square is the time complexity and O of 1 is the space complexity, due to only these variables are used here. Apart from that, no extra space is needed. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video.